Okay, grade 8. This is lesson 2 of chapter 4. It says relations. It starts on page 277. You have to remember everything we have learned before this lesson. You're going to use it. Everything from chapter 1, chapter 2, 3, all this. We are adding 3 more words for vocabulary. So our new vocabulary that we need to know by the end of this lesson is what is a relation, what is a domain, and what is the range, okay? All right. So, chapter 4, lesson 2, relations and the date, success criteria. You need to know all this, how to read, to know what the question is asking for. You can only answer what the question wants, okay? I always say, answer what the question wants. How to use the vocabulary correctly. You must be able to answer using your vocabulary, and you must be able to speak correctly. Okay? You have to answer in a complete sentence. You have to make sure your answer is in a box. You must know what is a relation. You must know what is the domain of a relation. You must know what is the range of a relation. You must know how to write a linear equation from a story and use it to fill a table and draw a graph. So that's what this lesson 2 is about. Okay? And just like any other lesson, I keep telling you, if you know what you're doing, it should not be difficult. Okay. What is a relation? It is any set of ordered pairs from a graph or a table. You can also do it from a story or from an equation. I don't know why the book just says graph, add equations. So from a graph or a table or an equation, or a story. You should be able to write a relation if you have a graph, a table, an equation, or a story. Okay? Oops, I dropped something. Don't worry. Okay, what is the domain of a relation? It is all the x values of the ordered pairs. You cannot repeat when you're writing the domain. You must always arrange them in ascending order. That means least to greatest. And when you write the domain, you must use braces. Not brackets. Do not use this. Wrong. Braces, the one that looks like this. You have to draw like that. So draw like this, V, and then that. Braces, okay? That's what you need to do. What is the range of a relation? It is all the y values of the ordered pairs. Another name for ordered pairs is points. You need all the y. Range is y. Domain is x. Okay? Do not repeat. You cannot repeat. Always arrange in ascending order. That means least to greatest. And you must use braces. Okay? So now let us see what this means. Okay? Let us see the meaning of this. Okay. You have been given the following relation. State the domain and the range. So this is the relation they gave it to you. These are ordered pairs. And how do I know they're in a relation? Because they have used braces. Okay? Now, the domain is all the x's. All x's. The range is all y's. You should know this. Remember, no repeating. So this is me thinking, no repeating. And I have to arrange in ascending order. Me thinking. Now I need to start all my x's. I write them fast. I have -2, -9, -2, 5, 10, 4, 5, 2, 9, and 7. Okay? They told me to arrange them in least to greatest. So I will start by that. After this, I arrange from least to greatest. My smallest number is -2. -2, -2. Once I use, I cross out. After that, give me 1 second. Okay, sorry. All right. So now I'm arranging from least to greatest. Okay? -2, -2. After that, 2 is the next one. After 2, 4 is the next one. Then 5. After 5 is 7, then 9, then 10. Now I need to confirm I have written all of them. Oh, see? Look, this tells me, you see why it is important to do that? So it reminds me. So now I know my list is -9. Now let me confirm. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So I have confirmed. The question gave me 10 numbers. I have written 10 numbers. I have arranged 10 numbers. Now, I have to remember the rule. The rule says, write braces. After I write braces, I am not supposed to repeat. So I will not repeat -2. I will not repeat 5. So now my answer is -9, -2, 2, 4, 5, 7, 9, 10. And this is my answer, and I will put it in the box. This is the domain. This is your work. Okay, let's do the range. So I start by -6, -2, -7, -6, -6, 4, 7, 3, 5, 3. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Now I need to arrange from least to greatest. -6 is the smallest. -6, -6, -6. There is 3 of them. Followed by, oh no, -7 is the smallest. -7 is the smallest. Then -6, the 3 of them. After -6 is -2. After -2, it is 3. There is 2 of them. Then there is 4, and then there is 5. And then there is 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. I know I am correct. Now I need to write my range. So -7, -6. I don't need this 2. -2. I don't need this. Only need 1, 3, 4, 5, 7. Yes. So there is my answer. Okay? This is my domain and this is my range. I have labeled my work, the range, the domain, clearly. All right, let's do the next example. Express the relation 3, -5, all this as a table. So what am I going to do? X and Y. My first column is X. My second column is Y. Then I'm going to arrange my numbers, my X's from least to greatest. So first I'm going to write my X's. I have 3, I have 4, I have -2, I have 0, I have -2, I have 3, and I have 4. Okay? So then I want to arrange from least to greatest. Here you have to repeat. You cannot not repeat. Here you have to repeat. So my smallest is -2. Then, what is this? 0. After 0 is 3, 3, and then 4, 4. Your table. So your first -2 is with -2. Your second -2 is with -1. 0 is with -3. 3 is with -3. The other 3 is with -5.